This 2015 Itasca Ellipse Ultra 42QL is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Itasca is 42 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Decadent Decor, Hardwood Cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, water heater, external shower, air conditioning, skylight, slideout, self-contained, awning, TV, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2015 Itasca Ellipse Ultra 42QL is built on a Freightliner XC Maxum chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.